Charlie. Boo, make nobody lie. From logic them at times. So I know you put your story. So you understand me? I know everybody. You understand me? From when I started Shatta movement to Mr. Logic meet you, Mr. Logic and you the fight about me. They tell Mr. Logic cannot be anybody. Me what I get. Me I no go anywhere. Boo. I have all those things recorded still in my mind. Boo. But I clear all those things with me and you can work. You know why? Because you have qualities that somebody needs to polish. And that's what I wanted to polish for you, because you are a good manager, you know how to manage. But when it comes to the interactions, the meetings, the deals, the movements, the opportunities where you can make we get money, that's where you lack. And that is why you see that I move my things myself. Bad man. Sometimes let's appreciate too. You see, boo, these things, when they talk, don't see I'm like, man, they talk like anything. It be from love. You understand me? Chris Connett did there. The things we talk about, all this music industry and these whole things we talk about. And so we sit down every day and we complain about it. But you see, when you go on TV, you can go on YouTube and be speaking like, because there's camera there and because you're wearing agbada, so you want to, you know, rather say, I don't know, say, if that thing to enter your head, where we all they go catch. And then you see, right now you want to be like young boy. Right now you want to be like young boy. You wear cap and a bada and something like, all in the name of branding. Like that people that will give us money, they know who be artists, they know who be manager. So when you don't act as such, there is no way we can move ahead. That's what I mean. All your artists, all where you get, tell me, say you know, be proud of me. Say I'll be the only artist where you produce or where you manage, where you move. The monies where come on the other side, the properties where man fit acquire, the things where man fit do, the journey. Don't lie. Now, Sammy, don't let us be seeing some things like you normal thing. They consider and say, so you can't take pain talk something. Say, Sarkodie and Shatta Wale Abono could do well because Black Sheriff he get label. You built Bull House Entertainment. Did you understand what a label was? Yes. You should even be shy that now Nigerians are building labels and they are creating their own empires around and they're getting to people. You should even be shy. Because y'all started record labels with that nonsense Okoku Mante guy. Sleep music. I'm not saying people like Lord Kenya. Yo, Pastor, I greet you. Pastor, may God bless you. Pastor Kenya, just, you know, keep doing the work of God well, you know, because you are doing what God wants you to do, and that's what we love. All those people, they get problem with Makoko Kumate. He just said they don't want to talk. I mean, you see, if water or pipe, they leak from my house, I go wake up. If pipe, they leak from us, I go wake up and tell people the problem, say pipe. They leak from house, make they can't help me, make they call plumber, make they can't solve. If you people, if problem the house, you don't want solver. If problem the house, you don't want make the problem solved, so you could deal there like that. Me, I won't solve problem. I was on the street sleeping at Seco. I was on the streets that they sleep at Beno. I was on the street, I did stay for car price. I was on the street, I did move around. I did sleep on the street. I did sleep on the street. But me now I tell myself, no, Charlie Shatta, no, Charlie, Junior, you know be like that. Hey, Charlie Badman, you see me can tell people, me I not be better like that. To make nobody seem like, oh no, yeah, oh this guy, what did he talk? He's just joking with. I'm joking. You are joking with yourself, my nigga. You are joking. You are joking with yourself because you don't know me. The way I talk, people like Papa, because I talk with confidence. Yeah, I don't talk with fear. Don't make I make people seem like if I come live, I'll come and they lick my mom. But your ways, you know, like, you know. So as you can see, my album is coming out. So I want to, my guy, yeah, they do music for people. I know they do music for from union where they come from, and the only thing I know for this world is God. I only can do for the union, and I do for people. And white man, he make things available. If you put your song across there, if people they like, if people hear, people love, people will buy it for him. You make money out of it. It's people. I don't know what an industry looks like in Ghana. I don't know what a label looks like in Ghana. I don't know what